All right, everybody, so we are back for another Mystery Box Fridays, and today we do have a Soul Steals box for you guys. All right, guys, so this is a $1175 box plus shipping and tax and all that stuff. I'm pretty sure it came out to about $1,300, something around there. You guys will see the exact price in the title and also at the very end. This is what Soul Steals has given us. They gave us two Purdy whatever boxes in the past, so we're gonna see what's in this one right after this. So like I said, we are gonna dig into this, and right before we do, we're gonna have a counter over here that's gonna tell us the exact market value for every shoe of this box, and then we're going to go ahead and see how much profit we're going to make at the very end and see if this is a good box or a bad box. So let's go ahead and dig straight into it. Alrighty, let's give you guys this sneak peek. No wonder it's so heavy. I'm a little scared, guys. I'm a little worried. So this is not stuff I really like or care about. I mean, like, no shame if you guys like it. It's just my personal opinion. Everyone has a personal preference, right? So let's go ahead and dig into this box, and I'm gonna start with the shoe that I probably am not used to, but I mean, I've heard about it. So this is a John Geiger box, and so he makes shoes that are kind of high-end designer-ish. I mean, the box is cool, but yeah, here we go. I mean, at least it's dead stock, and it's got a stock X tag, so if anything, I could sell these on stock X. But we do have a very pink shoe, and it is dead stock, so I don't know much about it, but the materials honestly feel pretty sturdy for what it is. The bottoms are brand new. There's just a little black mark, and it comes in separate bags and all that stuff. I don't see any stock X tags in here. Just wondering how much they bought it for, but this is the first shoe. Not a big fan of it personally. I am not cool enough to rock something that pink, but if you guys are cool enough, make sure to take them off my hands. Yes, men can wear pink, I believe so. I just can't wear that kind of pink in my outfits. I don't have the swag for it. Let's see, I'm gonna grab this box. I think this is a golf Converse box. Oh, I think I accidentally pulled out like one of the heaters for this. So, well, I don't think it's that cool, but size 6, and we do have a pair of off-white Converse, which I think they're brand new. They have the tags, they're just a little dusty. This one has the little hang tag. So this is a size 6 in men's or a size 8 in women's, but as you guys know, Converse do run a little different. So this is a pretty good shoe. Of course, having off-white is always going to be cool, and I just don't know how well this size will do, but at least it's dead stock. Box is a little damaged, but I'm happy with that one. At least it's one of the better shoes I've seen in a while from any of my boxes, because as you guys saw last week, there wasn't really any hype shoes in that box. But I don't know if I just want to take this big boy out. Let's just take this big boy out. So this is the HyperAdapt. I already have a pair of these, and honestly, it's just not like, they're not selling for me. I don't think they really sell that well anyways in general. So this is the 1.0 box though, so I think these ones go for more money. Dude, this is trippy. This thing trips me out. Is it tripping you out? I don't know. We do have what looks like a brand new pair of these. It is the white pair. They looked brand new, and I mean, the packaging is cool. There's all this stuff from StockX and whatever, but this is super heavy. I don't know how I would ship this out, and I definitely want to get rid of it. I'm not one to really buy HyperAdapts. So if you guys are looking for a pair of HyperAdapts, then you guys can definitely buy one from me, and I'll be happy to sell it to you. But with all that being said, let me know what you guys think about this kind of box. Let me know if you guys think, I mean, this kind of shoe. I guess. But we do have that dead stock. At least hopefully that will make it a little bit easier to move. I'll just do this box. So I don't know how you guys feel about Revenge Storm and all that stuff. I mean, to me, I feel like it's just a pair of Vans that are a little bit hyped. I know some of you guys really like it, but we do have a green pair right here. They are a size 10, and I've honestly never really had them in hand too much, but yeah, it's just the suede is nice though. Not gonna lie, the suede is nice, but you do have a pair of Revenge Storms in green, size 10. Yeah, not bad. I mean, I know that there's like a little following for this shoe, so if you guys are interested in this, I don't know. I'll see how it does. I'm not one to really try and buy out Revenge Storms or do any of that stuff, but you know, not bad. Size 10. At least his dead stock box is a little bit damaged, but that's just how it goes sometimes. All right, we do have a pair of Vans. These are slip-on Pros, and it's a Supreme one. And cool, we have a pair of the Supreme with the skull, the pile skulls. I mean, this is a very, I would say, a kind of iconic color scheme with all this floating skulls and stuff like that. So this is a brand new pair. Box is damaged though, and it is a size 12. So not bad. I mean, I like the shoe. I'm not much of a slip-on. I'm more of like an old schools or skate highs type of guy, but slip-ons are cool. I don't think I can just pull them off. That's just really the reason. All right. So we do have 2 more shoes left, and we have a Nike Air Presto Premium, it says, and looks like that's what we got. So we do have a pair of Prestos, which are brand new, but there is a flaw on this right shoe. There is a little, I know it's hard to see because it's all shiny and metallic-y, but there's an orange mark right here on the uppers. Other than that, that's pretty much it for this shoe. Prestos are super comfy, so not bad. It is a bright silver, but just a very basic shoe. Not sure it really goes for much, but with that flaw, who knows? All right, guys, the last shoe out of this box, I'm pretty sure it's not the hypest, but we do have a Bape shoe, which is cool. And this is a Blaze of Glory Bape, a UK 8.5, US size 9.5. And oh, these are the Puma Bape collabs, all right? So these are, I think they're dead stock, which is cool. The materials on these are actually really nice, and I think it's pretty cool that they do have the camo pieces on this kind of plastic material. And of course, you got the original Bape head on the tongue, and you have a cool insole, which is camo print. But honestly, it looks like this shoe would be very comfortable to wear, but it'd also be a very low-key shoe to wear. So it's more for someone who really appreciates Bape and Puma, which no hate to either brands. I actually really like Bape. Not a bad shoe. I'm not sure this really goes for too much, but at least it's dead stock. Most of the pairs that we got were dead stock, so definitely not too happy with, you know, the John Geiger and the HyperAdapts, but that's just because maybe that's just me. But by the way, the HyperAdapts are a size 10.5. So over here we have the whole tally of all of it, but we're gonna go ahead and sum it up for you guys right here. And that's how much the total market value is. But we also have to subtract the cost of the box. And after that, this is how much profit we're left with. So I don't know if I should be happy or sad. I feel like most of these boxes I'm so confused with because I just need to know the market better, honestly. But it's such like obscure pairs to really know the market on. Like if I pulled out Jordan 1s and Jordan 4s and even some Jordan 5s, 6s, whatever, like I'd have a better guess, but like I don't know what a Puma Bape collab goes for. I don't know what John Geigers go for. So other than that, that's pretty much it for this week's episode. So if you guys haven't already followed the shop, go ahead and follow Holy Ground Shop for me. That's where I'm probably gonna start posting some of these up. I don't know if we're probably not open yet, but we're working on a grand opening and doing all that stuff. So some of these shoes might be, waiting for the grand opening. Like I might have the Revenge Storms for there just in case somebody wants to buy those. Stay tuned with my Instagram and eBay, because sometimes if I do feel like these need to go before the store opens, I'll post them up there for sale. So just keep an eye out. With all that being said, we'll go ahead and see you guys on next week's episode. Peace.